Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tag On. Friends, today I'm going to show that how to save Telegram audio on Android mobile. Friends, to save Telegram audio on Android mobile, first you have to go on your Telegram. Then my friends, you have to select your audio, which audio you want. Don't select like you can justify. Friends, you know that which audio you need to download, right? So to download, you need an app, my friends. So you have to go on Play Store, then go on search options right here, JArchiver. Tap on here. This one, my friends, you have to install on your Android mobile, and it will ask some permissions. You have to give over there. After that, you have to tap on open. Then, my friends, close it and go again Telegram account and select your audio from here. After selecting, you have to tap on the share option, my friends, at the top right corner. Then tap on JArchiver here and give your file name to find out easily, my friends. On right click one, then tap on OK and see, you will find here on Telegram options, right, on JArchiver. Just tap on here, my friends, to extract. If you want, you can extract here, or if you want, you can extract to desired folders where you want, right? After doing this, after extracting, easily you can hear your voice, right? Hear this voice, my friends. So friends, like this, if you want, easily you can save Telegram audio on your Android mobile. Friends, to save Telegram audio on your Android mobile, if you face any problem, feel free to ask me in comment box. I'll try to give you answers as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.